Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope. Hi Peaches, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna, but you can call me Jo. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I'm going to show you a few ways you can style your natural hair. I'm going to try and stretch my hair. Usually I would stretch it with a threaded method, but I didn't get a chance to do that today, so I'm going to use that to at least give my hair a bit of a stretch. I still got some hair products in my hair. I washed my hair last night actually.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play...
How are you guys anyway? How are you? How are things? I hope you're all staying safe. You need to take care of yourself. So that's very important. That's very important.
Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
My hair is quite thick, so sometimes I struggle to manage it. I'm going to use Eco Styler gel to tame my edges a bit. I'm not going to use too much. Just
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
I'm looking this way because I've got a mirror there to help me see what I'm doing. So I'm not ignoring you guys. I just have to look into the mirror. Stay with me. This can actually be a style, you know, but we've got to go a bit further.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Okay guys, so change of plan. I'm going to put the video into 3 or 4 parts because it's quite detailed, and to put 4 different tutorials in one video will be too long and lengthy, and I don't want it to be that way. So I am going to separate the videos into different videos, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so this will be the part 1 of 4 styles. Watch out for the next one. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video if you like it, to let YouTube know that you like this video. Take care of yourselves guys, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.
Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past